What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel and the final episode of the Triumph Daytona. So this time around, we finally have the plastics. I swear they took forever to come in. You guys know I've been like stressing about it and whatnot, always mentioning it in the other episodes, but man, they're finally here. So first of all, I'm gonna start off with the rear. Even though I'm having an issue right now after installing these damn rear sets, now I got my tail light blowing. I'm just gonna do the rear tail fairings and also do the tail light because I know I'm gonna have to wire it. The plug for it doesn't line up, so it is what it is. Gotta take it one step at a time. So let me get to it. So it's now day 2, technically 3. I was starting off with the tail end, and fitment is not the greatest. There's gaps here and there. I couldn't use the grill, the mesh grill that's supposed to go in here on both sides. Got my tail light in, it's all wired up, which is Don't mind all the mess. This whole thing's gotta get cleaned up. My S2000 has to come back in here. But anyways, my obstacle now is getting this rectifier mounted up somehow on the inside of this fairing. Don't even know how I'm gonna do it, but that has to go on. This piece right here is technically for the bottom portion of the front end. Apparently I can't just put on the whole face without that being on first, just because some of the wiring goes through and this sensor right here mounts up to that. There's no way I'm going to be able to get this on while the whole face is on with that piece, so that has to go on. Mount up this, then the face could go on, and then the side plastics can go on. So that being said, wish me luck, because this whole thing has been a headache. It's been stressing me out, and I just want to ride. And now Mother Nature doesn't want to be in my favor because it's raining. But what's new? Anyways, I took it out last night. So you guys could see, bike runs, doesn't overheat, coolant's bled. I still have to bleed the front brakes. But yeah, other than that, she rides pretty good, and quick shifter works, which is a plus, which is awesome. I'm just so excited that that works. I never had a bike with a quick shifter, so this is the first. Anyways, let me try to continue, and hopefully this bike will be done. Hopefully. All right, it's finally that time, guys. Let's go riding. Oh yeah, we ready. I'm back on that life, bro.
I'm a drop in the ocean, just a face in a crowd waiting to be seen. Big dreams set in motion. I wanna go